The internet is a consistently evolving technology that continues to innovate. So far, we have experienced Web 1.0 and Web 2.0, and there is much discussion of what to expect from Web 3.0. Web 1.0 actually provided a static experience for users without the ability to create the content-rich sites we have today. Web 2.0 brought us together with social media and dynamic websites, both at the cost of centralization. Web 3.0 looks to give us control of our online information and also create a semantic web. This means that machines will easily read and process user-generated content. Blockchain will provide the power for decentralization, free digital identities with crypto wallets, and open digital economies. The ways we interact with the net will become more immersive with 3D options available. The benefits to the user also include efficient browsing, relevant advertising, and improved customer support. Some of the most widely used Web3 technology can be seen with virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa and connected smart homes. Hi YouTubers, I am Crypto Solutions, back with another full explanation of what Web3 is all about and why does it actually matter. I hope you all subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video for Web3 knowledge to actually go viral. Alright, let's jump into it. Over the past 20 years or so, the internet has changed dramatically. We have gone from internet relay chat, that is IRC, to modern social media platforms, basic digital payments to sophisticated online banking services. We have even experienced brand new internet-based technologies like crypto and blockchain. The internet has become a vital part of human interactions and connectivity and continues to evolve. So far, we have seen Web 1.0 and Web 2.0, but what exactly should we expect from Web 3.0? Alright guys, let's dive into the details and see what is in store for us. Okay, let's start by knowing what is Web 3.0. Web 3.0, also known as Web 3, is the next generation of internet technology that heavily relies on machine learning, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology. The term was created by Gavin Wood, Polkadot founder and the co-founder of Ethereum, while Web 2.0 focuses on user-created content hosted on centralized websites. Web 3.0 will give users more control of their online data. The movement aims to create open, connected, intelligent websites and web apps with an improved machine-based understanding of data. Decentralization and digital economies also play an important role in Web3, as they allow us to place value on the content created on the net. It's also important to understand that Web 3.0 is a changing concept. There is no single definition, and its exact meaning can differ from one person to another. Now, knowing what Web 3 is, it is actually logical we look into how does Web 3 works. Web 3.0 aims to provide personalized and relevant information faster through the use of artificial intelligence and advanced machine learning techniques. Smart search algorithms and development in big data analytics will mean that machines can intuitively understand and recommend contents. Web 3.0 will also focus on user ownership of content and support for accessible digital economies. Current websites typically display static information or user-driven content like forums or social media, while this allows data to be published to the masses. It doesn't cater for specific users' needs. A website should tailor the information it provides to each user, similar to the dynamism of real-world human communication. With Web 2.0, once this information is online, users lose ownership and control. Another key figure in the Web 3.0 concept is computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee, the World Wide Web inventor. He provided his idea of a web feature in 1999, and I quote, "I have a dream for the web in which computers become capable of analyzing all data in the web, the content, links, and transactions between people and computers. A semantic web which makes this possible has yet to emerge, but when it does, the day-to-day mechanisms of trade, bureaucracy, and our daily lives will be handled by machines talking to machines." Berners-Lee's vision has since combined with Gavin Wood's message. Here, an ocean of decentralized information will be available to websites and applications. They will understand and use that data meaningfully with individual users. Blockchain acts as a solution for managing this online identity, data, and ownership in a fair manner. Now, a quick dive into a brief history of the evolution of the web. To understand Web 3 better, let's look at where we are now and what we have developed from. Over 2 decades, we have already seen enormous changes. Web 1.0, the original internet, provided an experience known as Web 1.0. The term was coined in 1999 by author and web designer Dachi Nunachi when distinguishing between Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. In the early 90s, websites were built using static HTML pages that could only display information. There was no way for users to change the data or upload their own. Social interactions were limited to simple chat messages and forums. Web 2.0. During the late 90s, a shift towards a more interactive internet started taking form. Web 2.0 users were able to interact with websites through databases, server-side processing, forms, and social media. These tools changed the web experience from a static to a dynamic one. Web 2.0 actually brought an increased emphasis on user-generated content and interoperability between different sites and applications. Web 2.0 was less about observation and more about participation. By the mid-2000s, most websites transitioned to Web 2.0, and big tech began building up social networks and cloud-based services. Now, what do we expect in the future and Web 3.0? The evolution of a semantically intelligent web makes sense when looking at the internet's history. Data was first statically presented to users. Then users could interact with the data dynamically. Now, algorithms will use all that data to improve user experience and make the web more personalized and familiar. You only need to look at YouTube or Netflix to see the power of algorithms and how they have already improved. Web 3.0, while not fully defined, can leverage peer-to-peer, that is P2P technologies like blockchain, open source software, virtual reality, the Internet of Things, IoT, and more. Web 3.0 also aims to make the internet more open and decentralized. In the current framework, users rely on network and cellular providers that access their personal data and information. With the advent of distributed larger technologies, that soon might change and user could take back ownership of their data. In order to make this video short, we are going to actually stop here, where our next video we are going to give you more about how does the crypto fit into Web3, and we're actually going to tell you also what makes Web3 superior to its predecessors. And alongside, we are actually going to tell you more about Web3 use cases, just like the Siri and the Alexa that we've talked about. We're actually going to tell you that in our next video about Web3. These are just the basic things we could actually say for now, and we believe you are able to differentiate between Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3, and why Web 3 actually matters. And alongside, we all know that the evolution of the internet has been a long journey and will surely continue towards further iterations. With the massive explosion of available data, websites and applications are transitioning to a more immersive web experience. While there is still no concrete definition for Web 3.0, the innovations are already in motion. It's plain to see the direction we are going, and blockchain, of course, looks to be a key part of the Web3 future. See you in our next video, where we give you the other key things to actually make you understand more about Web 3.0. Thank you. Don't forget, guys, to press like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for part 2 of the Web 3.0. Thank you.